ugly as a bitch.
Man. Bro.
I'm gonna shoot catfish.
It ain't hurt that nigga by his drawers on my mama.
Why are we not addressing nigga getting hung by jaws? No, like I feel like we need to address that now. Like that's the only thing you said. Nigga hung by his jaws. What?
Oh, hung by his drawers.
Is this the story right here with the bonnet?
Wait, what? Hold on. What the fuck did you say? All I heard was with the bonnet.
Hey, is that his stud
Okay.
with the bonnet?
That's not funny, nigga.
Like, what's the question?
What the fuck that bitch said? Yeah.
Oh yeah, no thank you. No thank you.
Fuck.
No thank you.
Hey, yeah. That's right.
Skip, no thank you.
Wait.
No thank you, bruh. Skip, bruh. Why you still here,
That's a
bruh?
nigga?
Why you still here, bruh? Skip, bruh. No thank you, bruh.
Can you skip me?
No thank you, bruh. Skip.
Exactly.
I'll pop that bitch. I'll pop that bitch.
Bruh, skip, bruh. If I get mad, bruh. Skip, bruh.
Swipe left, nigga.
Bruh, no.
Thank you, bruh.
You see, when I did like this, y'all supposed to skip. When I
No, thank you, bruh. Why you still here, bro? Skip, bro. If I get mad.
can you skip though? Like that?
Bro, I'm finna get mad, bro. Like, skip.
Let me report them as I'm skipping.
Bruh.
Lee, you're so cute.
You gonna make me act up. You gonna make me do something I'm gonna regret.
Wait, that's a dude?
No, that's a girl.
Oh, my fault. Yo.
No.
You a dude?
No.
You for real? Like, I ain't even talking.
No.
Like I ain't on no weird shit. Like I was on the same thing. Like you was born a girl. Like
Yes.
Oh.
Why y'all saying that?
Now, like that's just the first thing that popped in my brain. My fault.
cause like you know it's 2026. Like
Yeah, it's like it's 2026, bro. Like these days,
No, I be like that
you
sometimes.
don't know what the fuck going on. That shit.
Can I ask a question?
What?
Why do guys like white clothes?
I don't even know. Yo,
Not yet.
that was actually a nigga. Yo, hold on, now, like put the camera off someone. Yo, I was looking for some peanuts.
Oh, you about to pop a titty? Bro, what are you doing, nigga?
Hold on, just like a little bit.
you ain't wanna eat.
Yo, nah,
Yo, I'm about to kill the nigga.
nah,
See.
nah,
Mama,
nah, nah. Yo,
Okay, so
wait, that's a dude.
You a bitch. Oh, fuck your whole little boy.
Oh shit right now. I feel so disrespected. wait. We need to like pause in between like every couple ones because this is getting ridiculous. Who are these people? Like these are just straight NPCs.
Yo,
Yo.
That's a-
Lee.
You gonna make me act up.
that's a dude.
Lee. Yo.
Yo,
Drag hand, shake on drag, shake
well,
on
who
drag.
shit harder? Who shit harder?
Shake them hoes. This shit is mad skinny game.
Some nigga talk about how skinny my dress is. One more fucking time.
Yo,
Hello.
who shit is better? Like mine is.
What?
Like who my shit. Yo, who shit look better? Mine is.
Huh?
Like who shit look better? Mine is.
Look up.
Who?
I like Lee's.
about her?
Their hair. Who hairs look better?
Hair.
That's about
Prince's hair looks better.
Okay. It's tied. Oh no, wait, no, it's 2-1 right now. It's 2-1 right now. Who hair look better? Mine or his?
Yours.
What about you?
I like you.
Like, his shit better?
I like you. Right.
Alright, that's 3-2.
Alright,
Hey, you know that one sneak picture? He like,
Yeah.
yo,
Hey, yo.
who should look better? Mine or his?
Huh?
Like, who hair look better? Mine or his?
Yours.
Wait, you said what?
Yours looks better.
Yo,
Yo, what's up, cuz?
who hair look better?
Lee.
alright.
It's like 5-2.
I don't even want to play no more game.
Yo, I got a question, bro.
Quit, nigga.
I'm feeling because I said.
You quit.
People I see you.
Please, this app isn't real. Yo, nigga, it's back-to-back bullshit, gang. Say on everything right now. Then a nigga in overalls with a big-ass Confederate flag. The white C just plus 5 hours.
Like, what are you?
Yo,
What part are you from?
Orlando.
Oh, we're from Broward.
Broward. Oh, nigga, Broward. That shit. Like, I heard they dirty over there.
They what? You heard what?
I heard like y'all dirty.
Dirty?
That's what they saying.
Hey, man. Yeah, they were saying that in GTA 6. So.
Yep, yeah, hell. What the hell going, buddy? But take that damn bunny dog, bro. Damn, bitch.
Today, Steve, you a bitch.
What was that? We just completely ignored that shit.
Let's keep this up.